shit, I'm getting a call. Hold on. Yeah, hello? Hey, how's it going, buddy? No, I'm good. I'm here at the Santa Monica doing an Osmo Pocket video. Yeah, you caught me off guard. Let me give you a call back, okay? Yeah, no problem. We are now at the Osmo Pocket extension rod test. So it pulls out to about this length, and right over here you could mount your phone, which I'll get back to later. Let's mount the Osmo Pocket for now, okay? So that's pretty simple. You unclip this right here, and it's weird. It slides in through the pins right over here, just like that. All right, so and then you just clip this like that. So now it's connected. If I would have a microphone, mic could slide in here. So let me now put my phone. All right, my phone is in. So this is how your setup pretty much looks. While you are recording stuff on the Osmo Pocket, you could see on your phone because the phone part is adjustable. All right, guys, so to turn it on, you just click the function button. And just like that, it turns on. So to connect it to your phone, you will need the Osmo Pocket wireless extension. Without that, unfortunately, you cannot use your phone, which is weird because they provide you with the holder for your phone, but then no accessories. So yeah, if you're buying an extension rod and you want to see what you're recording, you do need a Bluetooth wireless adapter. So now I have the whole setup. I could see what I'm recording. So the scroll wheel is an actual scroll wheel, so I could actually do 360s with it. I don't have to switch between modes constantly. All right, so you got a couple buttons right here. This is directions you want to use as well. So one locks it into like a 180 motion. The other one gives it a left and right, forward, down kind of tilt motion as well. All right, so the C2 button right here on the left side, you could customize it to switch through video or photo, for example. C1 button centers the gimbal. Right here, you could click it and it will face up. And then when I click it, it faces back. Now the function button, it also recenters your gimbal because that's what it actually is supposed to do. And the C1 is just programmed to do that. So you could always reprogram it differently. But that's it, guys. So now you actually could see what you're recording and do nice pan shots and get a way cooler cinematic shots with the Osmo Pocket. Now that brings me towards my next video. My next video is going to be all about cinematic shots using the Osmo Pocket extension rod. And in that video, I will get into more detail of the shots and how I did them. So thank you guys for watching the extension rod by Osmo Pocket video. And like always, guys, like, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you in the next video.